students. Welcome to the third session of English online tutorial with me, Dr. Risa Mufliarsi, MPD, as your tutor. So this week, you are going to learn about informal email and business mailing. You can find this week's topics in Module 3, which consists of 2 learning activities. And by the end of the week, you are going to expect it to be able to write a simple email and differentiate email and mailing. So please study the materials and enrichment on the links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 3 and do the assignment 1. Good luck, class.